Should we tell them the story? Should we tell them the story of your first Discovery flight?
Oh my gosh.
Heather, we were out to dinner as flight crew, because flight crew go out to dinner, and she was telling me her story of her first flight, because I said you'd make a great pilot, and she said, yeah, I tried it, but it didn't really work out for me. And I thought, oh, you're airsick, and we're gonna we'll tell that story later. Okay, so Heather and I were at dinner one night, as flight crew normally do, and she said she thought about being a pilot. Oh man. Never mind. Never mind. We're gonna lose it again. Another airplane taxiing out. Okay, so I have not been in a small airplane in 15 years. I'm already like a little trepidation, probably because I'm going to be in the back seat, not the front. I'm kind of a little bit of a control freak. Yeah, hey.
Heather.
Hey, how's it going?
Darren. I'm Darren. Good to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks for coming in. Yeah.
All right.
You've got a headset.
I've got a headset.
Okay. I'll get you a headset. Are you guys ready to go?
We're ready when you are. Is there a briefing or anything?
Yeah, we're just gonna head out to the plane and we'll do it all out there.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Can I just like leave my keys somewhere?
You could. There's be a little pocket in the plane. You can bring them with you.
Because it can.
Okay, witness. I got Heather's keys.
Is that to you?
Awesome, thank you.
So Michael and I talked a little bit about this flight. Sounds like it's a little bit of a gift for you.
Yeah.
Ever been in a small aircraft?
No.
Okay. Any concerns with motion sickness?
Nope.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, you're flight attendant, so you probably get that turbulence all the time.
Yeah.
She's really looking at it, and she does get to do a lot of seeing stuff.
Right.
Can we do a touch and go?
Oh yeah, most definitely.
All
yeah,
right.
Yeah.
Or a couple?
Yeah.
Even, I mean, we can, half the time in the pattern. If I wanted Heather to like say, yeah, I should invest in this or not, which is the goal today. So,
correct. Yeah. So if we want to do that, I would say we'll head out towards. You're pretty familiar with this area.
A little bit.
Okay, so like Woodland, which is just to the north on I-5. We'll head up that way to get you kind of on the controls, and then we have an airport about 10 miles that way. It's Scappoose in the town, so it's a really nice airport, really large and wide, so we can do a couple touch and goes there, and then we'll just see where we're at with time.
Awesome.
Yeah, 1 hour in the air, so we'll make good use of it.
Nice. All right.
Any questions before we kind of hop into the airplane?
No. I think I'm good.
You look excited.
I am excited.
Awesome.
We are excited.
These flights are the best for me, so
Okay, so it's definitely a gold vlog, and most of the time we talk about gold, but things tie in, things are okay to talk about and make maybe a little vlog about. Today, I think it's interesting enough to bring the camera, and truthfully, if I bring the camera along and I make a vlog out of it, the whole thing is a tax write-off. So there's that part of it too, but we're really here because my friend Heather needs to go on a discovery flight. And a discovery flight is basically for someone who's never flown an airplane and they get to go for the first time. And you hope they catch the bug, or at least if they don't catch the bug of flying and want to learn to fly, they'll know that because they went and had a flight to tell them that, yeah, this wasn't for me. Heather never really got to do her discovery flight. We work together as flight crew. I'm a pilot. We're getting that out there, and she's a flight attendant. And we were on an overnight having dinner, and that happens a lot. Flight crews go out and have dinner, and she said she wanted to be a pilot. She thought about being a pilot, but she actually tried. But she got kind of set up with the wrong instructor who kept canceling on her and was kind of rude to her. And so she kind of gave up on even wanting to be a pilot. And that's a real tragedy. That really got under my skin, so to speak, because I knew if that had happened to me when I was 20 years old and first went to the airport and got in that airplane for the first time. If I had a really rude instructor who kept canceling on me, I maybe would have given up too, and that would have been a real tragedy for me, because I love this career, I love this job, and it's kind of now my side hustle. I work way harder on the gold business than I do flying the airplane, and it's become a very rewarding career. And so today I needed to right that wrong, so to speak, right that wrong for Heather and make sure that she at least got to have an introductory flight to see if it's for her or not, to see if flying this airplane, becoming a pilot, is something she'd be interested in.
Heather, I'm gonna have you on the left seat. Doors open, try to get as much air in as possible. Mike, I'm gonna have you in the back, wherever you're comfortable.
Okay.
Left or right seat.
Sweet.
We'll have you hop in first.
All right, perfect. Okay, it's been 15 years since I've been in one of these small planes.
So,
15 years.
From my seat. And then go ahead and hop yourself in there. And you can just
Can I tap on this? Oh, there
right
we
there's
go.
a foot pedal, yeah. I'm gonna come around.
I love this. Excited.
Okay, so there's no such thing as a natural born pilot. Chuck Yeager, Amelia Earhart, Neil Armstrong, they all had to have that first flight. They all had to catch the bug, that first time they took an airplane off the ground and flew it around. And for some people, it's just such a thrill. And to figure out a way to get paid, make a living, you know, you got to do something with your life for 30, 40 years, however long you work. And it should be something you enjoy. At least for me, flying airplanes has been a real thrill and a real rewarding career.
And that's
How was it?
So much fun.
Did you have fun?
I loved it.
Good. Okay, I remember.
a little bit different than climbing in and out of a jet, huh?
Well, you know, that was fun. I was a little jealous being in the back.
Yeah.
Because I was like, oh, I remember.
How long
It's so
has it
cool.
been since you've been in a Cessna?
15 years.
Wow.
15. So, all right, we just got back. We landed. That was awesome.
It was
That was
awesome.
really
It was
awesome.
great.
This is Darren. Darren is, I just got to sit in the back, but I got to listen the whole time, listen to these two interact, go flying around. Awesome instructor right here. So if you do think about flying and you're in the Pacific Northwest, we're going to make sure and have a link to this flight school
Awesome.
and Darren there. So
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you bet.
Yes,
We
thank you
appreciate
so much.
it.
That was amazing.
That was really cool.
Great.
Yeah.
All right, excited?
Yeah.
That's a smile.
So
That's a
excited.
smile.
That is a smile.
Very cool.
Let me snag a picture of you if you would like. 3. All right.
Awesome.
Nice. Okay, so success. I actually had people I told I was going to do this. They're a little nervous for me. Like, you're not going back to small airplanes. You need to be in the bigger airplanes where you're, you know, more rules and all that. But that was absolute blast.
It was a blast.
We had a fun.
Amazing.
Very cool. I'm going to get that sign. I want to get that sign in the vlog.
Give me the key.
Oh yeah, maybe.
Thank
I
you.
have given Heather her keys back. Okay, how do you know when there's an airline pilot at a party?
His cargo shorts.
Cargo shorts.
His tennis shoes.
How do you know there's an airline pilot at a party? He'll tell you.
Oh, there you go. Of course.
Okay, so we're gonna leave it there. Appreciate you watching. Heather had a blast. I had a blast even in the back seat, even with my little control freak issue. I got over that. That was totally fun. Darren's awesome instructor, and I think she caught the bug.
I did.
She caught the bug.
100%.
Yeah.
How could you not?
How could you not catch the bug?
That was amazing.
Maybe I'll do another video on how cool the career is of being a pilot.
Yeah.
Right?
Perfect.
We should do that next. Okay. All right. We're going to sign off. Be well. Be safe. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye.
It's like a 50-plus-year-old airplane, so she's got a little quirks about her.
Darren, don't tell us that. Come on.
Hey, I love the way
She's a
this
champ.
flies, so yeah.
She's a champ. All right.